This video is brought to you by fubar, America's #1 online bar experience. More on that later. What's up, guys? So we're here at Thunder Gun Range. So we're here doing a knife class with Nick from S2 Strategic. And I'm really excited because I've never done a knife class before, or I've never learned anything about knives, really. You know, I basically just know that they're sharp and that they hurt and that knife fights are brutal. But that's all I know. So I'm coming in here as a brand new student, which is awesome because I haven't been a brand new student for anything in a long time. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what I'll learn, and hopefully after this I will be a edged weapon master. So let's see. Meet Nick Faruqi, owner of S2 Strategic.
A man pulls out a punch. It comes in handy in this range because you're picking and turning the blade. So it's a lot about that. So you do what's called scooping with the blade a lot to hold that same hand out. I do the same thing. Lungs are good places to go for, right? So we cycle the blade and it allows me to get through.
We started off with learning about different types of blades and how to hold them.
In a threat position, not a kill position, then the blade goes to the throat, not away from the throat. Away from the throat allows her to be able to push the knife out. We don't want that. We want that tied up. Right? So it's about those kinds of cuts. I can't tear because the cutting edge is on the wrong side. So the idea is we drain people. Get in from the groin and out. Keep cycling, keep cycling, keep cycling. Okay? So it's an offensive method. What cuts across the belly or the abdomen? Think about that. Okay? 3 is right to left, 4 is left to right. Right to left is inbound. Left to right is back.
Next up was different slicing patterns with numbers.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now remind people, you guys are all doing big fist. Let's tell you this. Knife's out, knife's out of the fight because it's pointing somewhere south, and she's going in. Does she want to come in now? Why? Tip of the blade's full, right? It's in between us. And so that's why I say that spear, that 360, is between me and that person. Punish them for coming into that space. Agreed? So that's the whole idea behind pushing the tip of the knife forward. Instead of this or this, or just all kinds of like I don't know why people do have this stuff to do. I mean, Mario, you get mad.
She's spicy. She's Latina. Yeah.
Right. Okay. And so we have so everything's been a full go through, right? We cut. And we have a retraction, it's called the tick. Punch the knife and retract it. It's like 50% motion in the back. So 6 and 7, I recover chamber, and because I'm here, I will retract it. 8 comes to the other side. Bang, same thing. 9, if you want to go into this, we'll roll the knife and go top to bottom. Okay? 10 is the scoop from below. Step back, step back, do my angles. Nice and big, nice and slow, not bump rush. You're gonna take your time, cut that. There you go. And she's in a roll reverse. We're gonna go 5 and 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Does that make sense? So we just go back and forth, back and forth. 5. Well, we'll just do the 5 and 5, right? Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 355. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you want to cut this? 1, 2. I put in my live hand, right? And so I can anywhere in there. So I go 1, 2, 3. I throw for pressure. What comes first? This hand or this hand? Now, if he has a knife and he sees his hand coming forward and he cuts it, he already prevented this whole point of the swing. She doesn't. So I tell people, defend the space. I don't care if they put their foot, their shoe.
So now it was time to put the numbered patterns into practice and protect the box. It's all about controlling space.
Why? Remember what I said? Anything that's in that space. Come on back. I'm gonna keep going. 1. Are you gonna like Tennessee?
Keep your space.
1, 2, 3. It's there, it's there. You gotta cut it, right? Defend the space, which is exactly what you guys are doing next. Now it's a hodgepodge. I can put in whatever I want. There you go. Yes. Yeah.
I got it, everybody.
Nice job. Cut anything that's in that space. It's not there to help you, it's there to hurt you.
It's all about using the blade as a defensive weapon, cutting anything that comes into our space to keep our distance. Next up, footwork.
I cut and I feed a 4. She goes, cuts and checks. She feeds me a 5, which is a straight to the belly. So, by the way, you do this, drag your right foot back. Boom, because that clears it. Now feed me the 5. Then I clear. So she's got the space, I got the reverse grip. She feeds the 5 to the belly, that's where she's going. First part, parry. Same time, scissor and cut. Same time, step. Okay, so that those 3 parts happen at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Resistance, right? Three. I'd like to jump squats. That's it. 4. 5. Actually, exchange that. Exchange that. Because that was 1 more, right? Go. That's it. 1. Good for you.
Get it for me.
25. Time confident, ladies. 1, 2, 3. Good Lord, it's like 4. By the time you get done. All right, just stop. Good. Look at the pace.
It was time to incorporate motion. There was a lot to learn, and Nick kept the process very fun and informative.
Here, because of proximity and the nature of the weapon involved. But they have it, you have it, both of you have it, any of that. You need to be mobile. If your focus is on anything, it should be at your feet. The blade will follow. Promise that.
Finally, we worked on some hand checking in order to buy us time.
Right. That was actually really good. guys see where the thumb and the index finger are wrapping around the handle of the knife, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I grab, normally when I'm trying to peel open, I'm trying to disarm or dislodge the knife. Agreed? Okay, but I don't want that. I want them to pay the price for bringing the knife out. Very much. Okay, so I'm gonna use the thumb and the index finger, I'm gonna pinch these. Tight. Seeing it? That's right. Excellent. Ready? Go. Right in the middle. Ready? Go.
Shout out to the honey badgers for the completion of day 1. Here's a sneak peek of day 2, where we used a hog carcass to learn the feel of the blade on flesh and bone. We started with rubber knives to practice the number 1 through 5 sequence. Warning! To see the live blade footage that is too graphic for YouTube, go to the link below at our locals page. It is free and includes multiple other training videos. Weak stomachs, beware. And for the rest of you, join me at the virtual online party at Fubar. Create an account and let me buy you a virtual drink as we play slots or Fu Mafia. It's a ton of fun. And don't forget about my discount code for your Just Holster It holster. Join me at the link below. Also, for training with Nick from S2 Strategic, links below.